Good evening, welcome to our restaurant. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking to try some dishes from your menu. Could you recommend any popular ones?
Certainly. Our most popular dishes include the grilled salmon, chicken Alfredo pasta, and the vegetarian stir-fry. Is there a particular type of cuisine you're interested in?
I'm in the mood for something light and healthy. Could you tell me more about the grilled salmon dish?
Of course. Our grilled salmon is served with a side of roasted vegetables and quinoa. It's seasoned with a blend of herbs and spices, giving it a flavorful and moist texture. It's one of our healthier options on the menu.
That sounds delicious. What about the chicken Alfredo pasta? Is it a creamy dish?
Yes, it is. The chicken Alfredo pasta consists of grilled chicken breast slices served with fettuccine noodles in a creamy Alfredo sauce. It's a popular choice for those who enjoy a rich and indulgent pasta dish.
Great. And what vegetarian options do you have?
We have a delightful vegetarian stir-fry, which is a colorful mix of fresh vegetables, tofu, and a light soy-based sauce. It's a flavorful and satisfying choice for our vegetarian customers.
That sounds perfect. Could you please let me know the prices of these dishes?
Certainly. The grilled salmon is priced at $18, the chicken Alfredo pasta is $14, and the vegetarian stir-fry is $12.
Thank you for providing the prices. I think I'll go with the grilled salmon. Can I also get a side salad with it?
Absolutely. You can add a side salad to your order for an additional $4. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Actually, I have a dietary restriction. Is it possible to have the salmon grilled without any additional butter or oil?
Yes, we can accommodate your request. Our chefs can prepare the grilled salmon without butter or oil upon request. Is there anything else we should be aware of regarding your dietary needs?
No, that should be fine. Thank you for being accommodating. One last question. Do you offer any gluten-free options?
Yes, we do have some gluten-free options available. Our staff can provide you with a gluten-free menu upon request. Please let your server know about your dietary requirements when placing your order.
That's great to hear. Thank you for your help and information. I'm looking forward to trying the grilled salmon.
You're very welcome. We're excited to serve you. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. Enjoy your meal, and we hope your experience with us is enjoyable.
Thank you.